And back ignition. Stage 1 boost back startup.
Good confirmation of those sequence of events. Kind of a nifty shadow on the Falcon 9 first stage booster. Now 3 minutes into flight in real time. Payload fairings will have jettisoned now at this point in real time, waiting for those events from the onboard cameras in just a few seconds. There you see those payload fairings separate. You can see the Worldview Legion satellites there. SpaceX set to recover those fairing halves using their recovery vessel called Bob, named after former NASA astronaut Bob Behnken, one half of the duo that flew the Demo 2 mission back in May of 2020. Confirmation of the boost back shutdown. Coming up next is the first stage entry burn, which is set to begin at about T+6 minutes in real time. Seeing those hypersonic grid fins deploy from the Falcon 9 first stage. Again, that entry burn set to begin now in less than 2 minutes. Those pulses that you're seeing on the first stage booster, those are the cold gas thrusters, helping to adjust the attitude or the positioning of the first stage booster as it makes its way towards Cape Canaveral Space Force Station. As a nice visual on the reorientation of the first stage booster, you can see its shadow moving almost like a clock handle going backwards. You can see they're jutting up from the center of the rocket from our position here on the camera. Now T+5 minutes, 39 seconds and counting. We're now just about 15 seconds away from the start of the entry burn beginning in real time. Still making those callouts since we do have our tracking camera hopefully training on the Falcon 9 first stage booster in hopes of capturing either the entry burn and or the landing burn. Again, it is still quite foggy here in Florida, so it's fairly difficult to get views of the first stage booster. The entry burn's now underway in real time. And there you see Pete Carson's got that entry burn. Conclusion of the entry burn. In real time, still seeing views from the SpaceX onboard cameras coming in on a slight delay. With the conclusion of the entry burn, we're now standing by for the start of the landing burn, which will begin in about 15 seconds in real time. Landing burn should be underway now.